Hello everyone, my name is Sachin Mule and today's video topic is SQL query. SQL query. SQL. What is SQL? SQL is a structured query language, and SQL is a basic advance and concept of SQL. Or SQL is designed from both beginners and professionals. The SQL is a structured query language. It is a used to the perform operation on the records stored in the database, such as updating updating records, inserting and records, deleting a records. Next is creating and modifying a database tables, and the database table, etc. The, the SQL is not a database system, but it is a query language. And next point is, suppose you want to perform the queries of SQL language on the store the data in the database, and you are required to install any database management system in your system. So for example, Oracle, MySQL, MongoDB, SQL Server, DB2, etc. And next point is, what is SQL? What is SQL? SQL it is a short form of the structured query language, and it is a pronounce is a SQL, or sometimes as a say SQL. This database language is mainly designed for maintaining the data in a relational database management system, and it is a special tool used by the data professional for handling structured data, and data which is stored in the form of the tables, and it is also designed for stream processing in a RDBMS. And next point is, you can easily create and manipulate the database and modify the table, rows and columns, etc. And this query language becomes the standard of ANSI in the year of the 1986, and ISO in the year of the 1987. If you want to get a job in the field of the data science, then it is the most important of a query language to learn. Big enterprises like Facebook, Instagram, linking use the SQL for storing the data in the back end. And why SQL use? Nowadays, the SQL is widely used in a data science and analytics. Following are the reasons which explain any it is widely used. The first point is the basic use of the SQL. Data professional and data users to insert, update, and the data perform the relational database. Next point is, SQL allows the data professional and users to is to insert and update and delete the data from the relational database. And next point is, it also help them to describe the data structure of the data. And next point is, it allows to SQL users to create a draw and manipulate the database, and it is tables. Next point is, it is allows you to define the data and modify the data, store the data in the relational database system. And next is the process of a SQL. When we are executing the command of SQL and array relational database management system, then the system is automatically find the test routine to carry out our request, and the SQL engine determines how to interpret that particular command. Next point is, the structured query language contains the following four components in its process. First is query dispatcher, Second is optimization engines. Third is classic query engines, and fourth is SQL query engines, etc. The next is the classic query engine allows the data professional used to the maintain non-SQL queries. The architecture of SQL is shown in the following diagram. The diagram is SQL query. First table is SQL query. Second table is SQL language processor, and third table is DBMS engine, and next is physical database. And next point is some SQL command. The first command is create a command. Next command is update a command, and third command is delete command. Next is select command, and drop command, and next is insert command. It is a etc. of is a command in a SQL. And next is explaining the create a command. This command helps in the creating a new database, a new table view, and other object of the database, database of the SQL in a SQL. The number of command used in a SQL is the query language of the system. The all about this in a SQL query. Thank you.